Is he there? He is. He's at the back. Oh, he's got a fish. A huge fish. Look at that, it's a huge fish. Oh, it's massive. Oh, he's a good fisherman. Look at the size of that fish. He's never going to try and swallow that, he is. Oh my gosh. Sushi. Oh, there's another one in the tree over there as well, look. Flapping its wings. Oh my gosh. He sees the size of that fish. Well, lucky we caught that, eh? That was a big fish. Oh, he looks full.
He looks a bit uncomfortable.
Oh my gosh. He didn't need to do any more fishing today. There's another one up there on the branch. Wow, that was fascinating. Fancy catching that. That was easy enough.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little trip to Al's Garden Centre. We finally got our tree. We've been waiting for Zoe to get back so we could get it. And just off on my way over to see Tom, who you may remember has this incredible collection of Triumph motorcycles. And I'll show you more when we get there. Let's go and see what he's up to. Tom, how are you?
Oh, Mike. Thanks for coming over.
My pleasure. What were you working on here? This looks very interesting.
This is a 1965 Bonneville that I'm working on. That's actually belonged to a friend of mine, and so I'm doing the restoration for him. All the painting had been done, so pretty much did assembly on the chassis and the motors. It was in pretty good shape, except for the rear frame section had to be straightened, so we had to powder coat some of it. And then all of these pieces were already painted when I got it. I just recently put together the bottom end of the motor, and then we put it in the frame, and so that's kind of where we are there. It went through, and the bottom end was in pretty good shape. It just required a little bit of polishing, but standard rod bearings, and put all new main bearings in it, and went through the transmission, put all new needle bearings and ball bearings in that, and everything. So it's pretty fresh. And then the next step, I just finished doing you can see on the other side, just finished assembling the primary. Haven't put the clutch in yet, but I'm waiting for one little, thought I had it in my stock bin, but went and looked there, it was empty. But this little tab washer to lock this nut in here.
Yes.
I was out of those, so I had to order that. Of course, then
isn't it funny how one washer can hold the whole project up? Right. I'm the same.
This is a little locking thing that I put together.
Oh yeah, good locking tool.
You lock the tool, and then you can, put the brake on, and then you can put 50 pounds of torque.
Yeah, very cool. So, I like to see that you've also got the tennis balls.
Yeah, well, I got the dents in my head to
I'm the same. For doing that. I think I got it from Dave Wedlake, actually, when I saw he'd done that. I thought that was a great idea, and I have them on mine, especially those pointy ones. Oh, the ones with the round end. Oh, you've got them on the actual bars. Well, same thing, right? Same thing, but the bars will hurt you as well.
Yeah,
oh my gosh.
And just all set up right. And
that is lovely.
We got the top end is over on the bench there.
Oh, so yeah.
Ready to go on.
Gosh. You do really nice work, Tom. Really nice, neat work. Wow. I love how you got all the CAD stuff there as well.
Yeah, unfortunately, I was able to get the CAD stuff. It's getting harder and harder to find.
And then this is a later one.
That's my
69.
Bonneville.
This is the one that you came out to the cul-de-sac on, isn't it? And that's this one here. What are you doing with this, Tom?
Doing some service work on it. I'll do all the oil changes and all that sort of thing. So I did that, and I was having an electrical problem where this has a rear taillight stop switch.
Oh, yes.
And it wasn't working, and I wasn't getting power to it for some reason. So I got in and checked all the wiring and was able to solve that problem. And
these are these rare horns up.
Wind tone horns.
Wind tone, that's it. They're super rare, aren't they? Yeah.
And they...
Oh. That's a good sound.
Yeah.
Dead cool. And then, oh my gosh, back here for another day, Tom, but you got some beauties. 52 Thunderbird, 53 T100C, and is it that 40? 40 Speed Twin. Oh my gosh, and look at that. 48 Tiger 100 and a 50 Trophy TR5. Oh, and then that little thing hiding away at the back. A GP racer. Oh my goodness. So guys, if you're ever in Oregon in the next year or so, there's going to be a display at the
Northwest Vintage Car and Motorcycle Museum in Brooks, Oregon.
Perfect. I'll share a link in the description below with some details on what's coming up next year. But yeah, this would be awesome to see so many bikes like this together. I was just about to say that's as good as it gets, that picture right there, Tom. But then there's another one right there. Look at those. Wow.